Hi guys, I make a lot of videos about what I cook as a main dish, but not very many videos about the side dishes, and today I'm gonna share with you two side dishes that are my favorites, and they go very well with lobster, with fish, with steak, with chicken, and they're very easy to make. Here is what you're going to need for these two very easy to make side dishes. You will need some nice little potatoes, some asparagus, some dill, and you will need some garlic, butter, and salt. So I'm gonna start with melting a stick of butter in a pan for the potatoes and wait for it to melt. So the butter is just about done, and I'm gonna toast the potatoes, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get them a little bit more uniform in size so they cook evenly. This guy over here, I'm just gonna slice in half. Always put stuff in the heat away from you, not towards you. All right, didn't splash very much, didn't make too much of a mess. Now I'm gonna cover them for a little bit, and I have the heat between low and medium. I'm using this is about 2/3 of the dill that I had there. I had to make sure the camera is recording. So I'm gonna take 2/3 of the dill and I'm gonna chop it. It doesn't have to be fresh dill. If you don't have fresh dill, you can use dried dill from the store. However, I grow my own and I have a lot of it. Now I'm gonna put it into the potatoes and I sprinkle it around just as such. And now I am going to add salt to taste, and I say salt to taste and I eat a lot of salt, so you may want to put a little less than what I'm doing. But this is Himalayan salt, and Himalayan salt, it's not that bad for you because it still has all the minerals in it. So I'm gonna toss 4 cloves of garlic there, and I'm not gonna chop it or anything. However, the garlic is a little bit crushed. There you can see this one, it's crushed. I just smash it with the knife to get the shell out. So I'm gonna take 4 of those cloves, toss them in there in the potatoes, close them, and turn the heat up to medium. And the potatoes have been cooking for about, I would say, 5 minutes now, and every now and then just have to turn them over a little bit. So what I'm aiming at here is getting just a little bit of browning on the potatoes. So something like this, and leave them covered. So I'm gonna saute them in here for another 5 minutes now. Alright, another 5 minutes have passed. I'm gonna turn them over a little bit. The potatoes have now been cooking for about 8 minutes. I went a little bit longer than 5. At this point, I am going to add 1 cup of water and cover them again. Make sure to always keep them covered. Shake them up a little bit. And now I'm gonna get cracking on the asparagus. I'm gonna turn the heat up to high just so I can melt my butter. Melt, 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 melt. Alright, the butter has melted, and I'm gonna turn the heat down to between medium and low and start arranging my asparagus in here. Kind of try to keep it in one direction, just as such. And the asparagus, it's not gonna be covered. We're gonna leave it uncovered. We're gonna add some salt, and then the rest of the chopped dill that I had, and the other 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna toss them in there and just let it saute on low, between medium and low, but closer to low than to medium. So it's been about 20 minutes since I started cooking the potatoes, and at this point I'm gonna uncover them and just let them cook uncovered so some of the water evaporates, but they're just about there. So the asparagus has been cooking for a good 15 minutes now, and I'm going to try and flip it over just as such. Whoa, sort of kind of like this, and just continue cooking it on low. Asparagus cooks very easily. So it's been another 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna turn the potatoes down to low. They're just about done. I'm gonna turn the asparagus down to low. Just about done. The one way I figure out if stuff is done or not, I just poke it with the fork, and if the fork goes in, that means that we're good to go. There you go, it goes in easily. Delicious. As you can see, guys, these are 2 very easy to make side dishes, and as I said, they go very well with everything. Fish, chicken, steak, pork, lobster tail, you name it, they go well with everything. Just like this, we just prepared a gourmet dinner in 40 minutes or less. So we'll place some asparagus here, and then I'm gonna add some potatoes. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Goodbye.